that you was lying, and it did sound like it, but you was telling the truth. Jay Morris, listen. Me and my lady kicked it at the grill, watching movies on the couch. We were drinking and having fun, yeah, enjoying each other's time. Then I had to take a bathroom break, 'cause I've been drinking for a while. See, I've been faithful to my baby, yeah, so I put my phone by her side. Oh, tell me why I got a text message. It was from my ex-girl. Now I ain't talked to this girl in years. Lord, what in the world? She said, what you do with love? And I hope I didn't interrupt. And boy, I really miss your touch. Well, I think that we should hook up. Damn, my baby read the whole damn thing, and now she think I'm cheating. When I stepped out of the bathroom, oh, my baby started tweaking. Soon as I figured out what was wrong, damn it, I was speechless. I told him, baby, there is nothing going on. You gotta believe me. Oh, now, girl, I had this number for so long that anyone could reach it. So, baby, please settle down and listen. It sounds like I'm lying, oh, baby, but I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't lie to you, girl. Girl, it looks one-sided. I wouldn't know it do, but I'm telling you the truth. You gotta believe me. Girl, it sounds like I'm lying, but I wouldn't lie to you. Oh, I promise, baby. Oh, girl, I put this on my life, yeah, yeah. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Yeah. As I was talking, she was rocking back and forth, clenching her fist while she was staring at the floor. Like everything I said just added to the soul. So I just got my stuff and headed for the door. She said, like a cheater, you gon' run. Soon as you hit that door, I bet you gon' respond. I wasn't born yesterday, I ain't done. No, no. Baby, you can go and have your little fun. I told her, girl, I understand your frustration. Yeah, I know that this a crazy situation, but it's been years since we've had a conversation. And I know I keep repeating everything I'm saying. Now I've tried everything to ease your mind, but you still believe this ain't our first time. Girl, if I was you, no lie, I'd say the same. But you gotta trust me when I say it sounds like I'm lying. No, I ain't never lied to you, but I would believe me, girl, I ain't like the mother do. Girl, it moves one-sided. So tell me what I gotta do for you to know I'm telling you the truth. Girl, it sounds like I'm Oh God, oh, I wouldn't lie to you. Oh baby, I cross my heart. Oh girl, I put this on my life. Girl, I wouldn't do that to you. I'm telling you the truth. I will text her back right now to show you I'm not hiding no. I'll even call her phone to show you I'm not lying no. Just say the word and baby I'll do what I gotta do. I love you girl, now let me prove my love to you.